Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Gisele if you're new here, and today we're going to be trying on, as you can tell by the title, this new Fenty highlighter. What is it called again? The Diamond Bomb. And I am super excited for it. So if you would like to see how I'm going to use it and what it looks like on me, or just black girls in general, because you know this stuff be looking different, keep on watching. Ooh, the packaging is so freaking pretty. So this is the highlighter right here. It's really pretty. The packaging is also gorgeous. It has like the rose gold underneath it, which is usually, you know, that's her brand in terms of the packaging. And then it has sparkles on it, and it has a mirror. So without further ado, let's just get into this because I want to see how the hell this is gonna look on, okay? Okay, now that we're a little bit closer to each other, let's go ahead and try this thing on. I'm low-key kind of nervous because I'm like, is this gonna work? You know, because it's like a silver glitter highlight, so I don't really know how this is going to pan out. But I was watching the Nikki Tutorials video today with Priscilla, and Priscilla made it look amazing, of course, so we'll see how this looks on. I am going to be using a brush from Mint Pear, and this is their Rounded Soft Blend M64. I don't know what this brand is. I think this came in one of my Ipsy bags, but it's like a tapered brush. I'm nervous. Okay, let's tap some of it off. And okay, that's the first swipe. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's what it looks like, y'all. She did something, it was like going on the brow bone, sweeping it out and then bringing it down. Something like that. I mean, on camera, I really like it. But in person, we'll have to talk about it. But on camera, it's giving me this really beautiful glow. Just like Nikki said, it's like that wet look that a lot of people look for with highlighters. That I absolutely love what I'm seeing on my monitor right now. Absolutely gorgeous. But I'm gonna put some more on. And I'm pressing this on, I'm not sweeping it. And I have some more brow bone, like I said. That's what that looks like. Let's do the other side. I'm going to add it to the parts of my face that I usually add highlighter to, which is my Cupid bow. And then with my finger, I go on the tip of my nose, and then the bridge. All over Diamond Veil. Yeah, this is more of like 3D sparkle for face and body, and same diamond dusted effect. Yeah, girl, this, I wouldn't really call this a highlighter. I think that's what I was seeing people calling it. This ain't a highlighter. This is glitter. This is body glitter, which is fine, but on camera, like, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. You get up a little bit closer and it's just too glittery for me. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. What are my thoughts on this highlighter slash glitter palette? I absolutely love the packaging. I mean, how can we not? The Fenty packaging is always absolutely gorgeous. The product itself, I am not 100% sold on it. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing on camera. Like, super amazing. But I won't be using it as a highlighter on its own. I might use it as like a topper because it's just too glittery in person. It's too, I don't know. Maybe I'm not used to glowing like this. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you gotta get used to the glow. I don't know. I did use my brush a little bit wet to go over it, a tiny little bit on top of it. And I feel like that made a huge difference because now it doesn't look like it's so grainy. It doesn't look like it's just a bunch of glitter. I'm looking at my monitor and this looks blindly stunning. Like, girl. Like, that looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful on camera. It looks absolutely beautiful. But I'll probably mainly be using it as a topper to go on top of other highlighters because I mean, I like to mix highlighters already anyways, and I think that this would be a good addition to that. But we'll see about wearing it on its own. I'm not 100% sure yet. Like, I am loving the way that the light is reflecting off of this. Oh my god. It's giving me life on camera. And maybe it's because, you know, looking it in the mirror is not the same when the light is hitting it. I don't know. It looks stunning on camera. Like, it's just wet. So if that's the look you're going for, I would definitely get it. I am curious to see how this is going to look on darker skin tones because I feel like it really reflects that silver. So it would be interesting to see what it would look like on other women of color, particularly black women. I'm going to swatch it on my hand because I didn't do that, so you guys can see it. I don't even know if it's going to show up on camera, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think this was kind of a quick review because I mean, it's just a highlighter. There's not a ton to say, you know what I mean? I feel like it's not super fine, so when you put it on, you can tell that it's glitter. It's not like melting into the skin. Once I got my brush wet, I felt like it was giving me that effect a little bit more of it being like an actual highlighter and melting it into the skin and looking really flawless without it just being a camera thing, you know what I mean? Even before, like on camera, it looked pretty, but now like it looks really radiant. Well, let me know in the comment section, are you going to be trying this out? Have you already? How are you liking it? Did you have to do anything extra or different to make it work for you? As usual, make sure to subscribe that you are part of the family and thumbs up so that I know that you're enjoying my videos. And hit me up on Instagram. I'm there on Instagram as Giselle MUA and on Twitter as Santos_makeup. And that's all for today, you guys. I will see you on the next video. Ciao.